these little alcohol wipes that work, you know, for your lenses, glasses, whatever. And I was thinking, you know, I've never had anyone deny me when I've offered a wipe that I've used. You know, they're like prized wipes. The moment you open it, you're like, all right, it's starting to evaporate. Let's go. Let's get this done. And then you finish it, and you're like, anyone else? Oh, dude, yeah. You know? Just kind of funny, I guess. No one's ever denied the wipe. Copper was checking out the chick. You could be doing nothing wrong. You see a cop, you're like, oh. It's like we're trained. Oh. Tense up a little bit. Cover. Don't look. Be cool. Let off the gas like you're coasting. Oh. Cover. All the years of watching Cheech and Chong, you know, if it was hard to say ossifer without saying ossifer or officer. Yeah, officer instead of ossifer. Like I say, I still can't do it, so I guess I'm still in training. Dude, what if you had to bail on those rocks? The truck was coming over, you know, you're getting over fucking rocks. Gnarly rock garden. I think I'd go down. I need to change my oil. I don't know if I'm gonna, but I need to. See what happens when I get home. That's a cool Jeep. I feel like there's a lot of traffic right now. Oh, look at that. Little Porsche. Oh, man. Come on. There's the Porsche. Alright, I'm going. No one around. Gotta cut some zip ties. What am I, new? Alright, I got a purple Panda mic. I'm gonna unplug it. Let's listen to the bike for a while. wasn't a bad little section. Oh, can't wait to hear how that sounds. Got a point in there, in case you hadn't heard. Purple Panda rides around my chin area. I think it sounds fine. I don't know. Everyone raved about Purple Panda. My other helmet had like a cheap Chinese version. It sounded fine too. I don't know. For all I know, Purple Panda's Chinese. I don't even know. But the Insta360 mic itself is supposed to be, it's got some buffer on it, you know, some foam, like a wind sock kind of deal. So I don't know, we'll give that a shot. Maybe it sounds cool. And we had a good section too. That was nice. Oh, this guy's got FMF, Alpine Star sticker, District 36, and a number plate. That explains why he was driving so fast. I mean, define fast, right? We're just cruising. We're cruising. That's cool. It's a Sunday. There's that comedian. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. If I knew that comedian's name, I'd have to give him some credit right there, because I just did his thing. Yeah, up ahead, Prius, brakes on. Prius, they brake up hills. I don't know if you knew that about them. They're afraid to go up just as they're afraid to go down. That Prius looked like they just finished a wave. Maybe they were waving to the other one. You heard of, it's a Jeep thing. I think Prius has got a Prius thing. They gotta like slow down to wave. Give a little giggle. Oh, excited. We did it. Point. All right. Dude, that was a grunty one. All right. I had a Chevy like that one. That was pretty cool. Mine was GMC though. It had lock washers. It's all lifted and shit. One time I lifted a Blazer and could only do the front the first day. So I drove it around all front high, no shocks. Started pumping the brakes, you know, you get the it's a K5 Blazer, not one of them little bitchy sissy ones. My buddy had a Ram Charger. Dude, it was cool. The 4x in the snow. The mud, the rocks, the dirt, whatever. You go 4x down the pavement, we were dumb. There's no way that second car stopped. Dude. Via Roma. Dude, what's with these spots, man? I just can't get it. Of course, I've been practicing. Point. All right. Person on the right. Everyone should know that. I mean, it's actually a good thing. I think people are just a little timid around motorcycles. They want to do the right thing. They don't know what we're gonna do because we got some bad rap, you know, for being some aggressive badasses, you know, and they're not far off.